Hey there, teachers. Want to launch your six-figure tutoring business part-time while teaching full-time in just 30 days? Sounds too good to be true. Honestly, I thought so too, until former teacher turned six-figure tutorpreneur Stephanie Tran showed me how to earn $180 an hour teaching SAT math group lessons. Now you can learn how to do it too.
And that's how you give value to your clients before you even ask for a dollar.
That's cool, homie. Yeah. Now you can get Stephanie's step-by-step blueprint with her six-figure Tutor Masterclass. Get 24/7 lifetime access as well as live coaching from Stephanie as your mentor to support the growth of your business. Scoop up industry secrets from someone who developed her business to a team of 15 in just 2 years. When you're the face of the classroom, you're creating your brand with your mission, vision, values, and motivating your clients to embody a growth mindset. You are also in charge of keeping your clients safe and secure by upholding protocols. When it comes to your clients, there's nothing you won't do to make sure they are successful, like staying up all night grading papers and doing lesson plans. When a parent calls, you're the customer service representative, listening to their concerns, addressing the problem, and most importantly, showing how much you care. Hold on, wait a moment. Hey, Ms. Williams, how may I help you? Aw, Taylor uploaded the wrong file up again? Don't worry about it. Let me see what I can do. Teachers, it's time to give yourself a raise. For real. For all the things you've done for our education system, y'all are the real MVPs. As a teacher, you're practically a CEO. Instead of waiting for our salary to match our hours of effort, like waiting for rain in a drought, start cashing in on changing the world with skills you already have. After all the investments you made in your students, like shopping for them with your own funds, it's about time you start investing in yourself by taking this course and earn while you learn. Go to www.localtutorroute.com and enroll now. Go on and get that money, boss.
I'm honored to guide you through what it takes to transform yourself from being a teacher to a tutorpreneur. I look forward to seeing you in class, tutorpreneurs.